Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we have a new announcement from MRHB DeFi. So they have started the reward program for liquidity providers. Let's see what was the article. So MRHB DeFi closes successfully 5.5 million United States dollars fundraise, blah blah blah, and so Marhaba DeFi created a reward program for liquidity providers or LP token holders. So what is it? Firstly, Marhaba DeFi suggests to earn passive income from the fees in the transactions made during swapping MRHB to USDT and vice versa. The second income source is to claim a reward for locking for freezing your LP tokens to Marhaba DeFi smart contract. So it is claimed from site Rewards.mrhb.network, and in this article you also can watch the video how to buy Marhaba tokens and how to provide liquidity, but I see that the links are the same. They have forgotten to change it. I will say them, but anyway you can find the link how to provide liquidity in official Telegram channel, in official Telegram group. Next we have an explanation what is Hiba and why it is permitted and permissible according to Islamic fiqh. It is an explanation from Dr. Farouk Mufti, and here is the reminder. Okay, let's go. So you have created liquidity as shown in the previous video. Now we just go to, so we came here. When you open the site you will see this page, and you need to connect your wallet. I press, and I connect to MetaMask. In a few days there will be other options to connect, for example Wallet Connect or Trust Wallet, inshallah, but now only MetaMask is realized. So we just press connect and confirm our connection operation in MetaMask pop-up window. Okay, and now the site shows your wallet balance of MRHB tokens. This is the total MRHB supply. So what we should do next, we go to menu page, and here we see the smart contract to lock up our LP tokens. Estimated return on investment is 80%. We just press select, and here first time you will need to approve your LP token. I have already approved, that's why it is not active now. After you approve, your deposit LP token button becomes active, and you just press it and select how many LP tokens you want to lock up, and you press confirm. Again you confirm your operation, you need to confirm in MetaMask. Now you see my LP tokens locked on the rewards site, and it is locked on smart contract. And here in this window you will see how many MRHB tokens I'm earning. It depends on how many. Firstly, it depends on how many operations are made in the liquidity pool, and secondly, it depends on how many liquidity providers locked the LP tokens here. So I'm teaching you, and inshallah you will lock here, and my MRHB income will decrease. So now you see it disappeared here because Pancake doesn't see your liquidity pool information. But don't worry, you still have your LP tokens, and your income from transactions is added to your LP. Don't worry. So how do you withdraw? You just press withdraw LP and rewards, select how much LP tokens, and confirm your operation again. Then confirm in MetaMask window. And this LP tokens is being unfrozen immediately, and reward has gone to your MetaMask. Let me show you. So here BEP20 tokens, you see 0.46 Marhaba network tokens came to my wallet, and Pancake LPs also returned to my wallet. So I wish you good luck. See you. Sorry, not bye. Here's one more note. Let me deposit it again. Come on. Okay, I have deposited 10,369 LP tokens. If I add more liquidity here by adding USDT and MRHB tokens, my MRHB reward, it will be 0, but they will not disappear. They will go to my wallet. They will go to my wallet immediately, and my LP token number updates, and this begins to count from 0 according to my new number of LP tokens. Don't worry, your old reward is paid to your smart contract if you add new liquidity. Now it is over. Bye bye.